magic ring and chain 3. Make 9 double crochet into the ring. Then tighten it, slip stitch and cut the yarn. Take the black yarn, insert the hook into our last slip stitch and chain 1. Single crochet 2 times into each stitch. By the end of the round you should have 18 single crochet. Slip stitch, chain 3 and double crochet into the same stitch. After that, cut the yarn. Insert the hook into the next stitch, take the white yarn and chain 3. And make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Now place 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 2 double crochet into the following stitch. And now just alternate this till the 7th stitch. So you place 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet. You should make 1 double crochet into the 7th stitch and only 1 double crochet into the 8th one. And in total you should get 13 double crochet, so 12 normal double crochet and the first one fake double crochet when we chain 3. And after that cut the yarn. And now take again the black yarn and we are going to insert the hook into the same stitch into the 8th one where we made just 1 double crochet with white yarn, but according to the increase we need to place 2 double crochet, so we are going to chain 3 with the black yarn. And make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. And cut the yarn. Now we take the red yarn, insert the hook into the next stitch and chain 3. Now make 2 double crochet into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the following. And alternate till the end. So you're going to finish with 1 double crochet into the last stitch and you should get 13 double crochet, which is our first chain 3 plus 12 normal double crochet. and cut the yarn. And now I'm going to use the needle to connect all the parts. And I'm going to insert my needle in between of the stitches, so this way my stitch is not going to be visible. But for example, if you're going to add this Pokeball on something like an additional details, you don't really need to care about the back part, but in any case I recommend you this method because this way the Pokeball itself on both sides will look more neat. Slip knot and chain 15. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook and then single crochet till the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet back loop only into each stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And now repeat this round as many times as you need, so this piece can go around your wrist. For me, I'm going to crochet a large size, so I will crochet 30 lines. And now let's join two ends of the piece to make a circle. Fold the ends and make sure to insert the hook in both sides and just single crochet. And when you're done, don't forget to try it on to make sure that it's not too big or too small. Chain 1 and single crochet around. Slip stitch and chain 2. In this round we are going to make an increase. For that we are going to half double crochet 3 times. And then half double crochet 2 times into the same stitch. Repeat till the end of the round. Slip stitch and chain 2. Half double crochet into each stitch and repeat this round 5 times. Now we are going to make a space for big finger. For that, half double crochet 2 times. Chain 4. Skip 4 stitches and half double crochet into the 5th one. half double crochet till the end of the round. And then we are going to repeat half double crochet round 7 more times. And when you are going to half double crochet around this space that we made for the big finger, you just need to insert the hook into the space and then make half double crochet. And I will repeat this round 6 more times. Now I will make space for each finger. It will be 7 stitches per one finger. So I'm going to start the round as always and we'll half double crochet 13 times. So here I'm going to skip 7 stitches and we'll make a slip stitch into the 8th one. And finish the round by simple half double crochet. And now I will not chain 2 after the round is finished, but instead I will count 7 stitches and make a slip stitch into the 8th one. And now I will work on this small circle. Chain 2 and half double crochet around this small circle. It's going to be 7 half double crochet for me. Slip stitch and repeat the round, chain 2 and then half double crochet around this small circle. Now slip stitch and cut the yarn. And I'm going to repeat the same for other fingers. Count the needed amount of stitch. For me it's going to be 3 on this side and 4 on the other one, and we're just inserting the hook in both sides at the same time. Chain 2 and half double crochet around. And when this round is finished, I'm going to slip stitch, chain 2 and add another round of half double crochet. When it's completed, cut the yarn. Going to repeat exactly the same thing for other fingers, including the big one. And let's use the needle to hide the end of the yarn. This is the final result. Hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next one. Bye!